I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. These are the settings on your Alexa device that you probably didn't even know you could change. Plus, they're going to make your life so much easier. If you've got an Amazon Alexa Echo, you may use it for simple tasks or to ask questions. But did you also know you could use Alexa as a speaker? If you have the Alexa app, you can tap these three horizontal settings on the bottom right for more. Tap Settings and scroll and tap Music and Podcasts. Link a new service like your Spotify account, Apple Music, or Audibly, for example. Then you can enable to use and listen to all of these services through your Alexa speaker. Finally, Alexa lets you control the temperature of your home and save money thanks to their smart thermostats. Not only will your electric bill thank you, but you'll have much more control over your home. While Alexa does have some fun settings, you can also protect your family and your home. Be sure you have Alexa set up in case of a crisis. They offer 2 subscription services that do just that. Alexa Guard will give you alerts about your home when you're not there and offer extra security against unwanted visitors. Alexa Together will help you care for a loved one remotely and has a 24/7 emergency helpline. For more ways to use Amazon Alexa, head to cyberguy.com and simply search Alexa. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.